Alright,
wow.
There we go. It's a little mutilated.
Sorry. What are you going to do?
It's pure muscle anyway.
So that.
Okay, what's our... Let's find coronary artery again.
Where is it on here?
Let's open it up again. So this is... Remember that this is left and right. And
We're looking at a valve in here. Can you see this? This all in here looks like part of a valve.
Aortic
that's the VA
semilunar valve.
See if you can follow any pathways and where it takes you.
Okay. Okay, so this is the right ventricle.
Where?
I think, let me see if I can poke through. This would be... I have to cut it in a cross section because I'm kind of going deep into there. I'm going like over here.
Well, you're going to find an entrance, but the way the heart is prepared, it might be cut off at the heart itself. But what you are going to find, and you're going to have to probe around, and it may not be easy, but you will find an entrance to the atrium. It has to, or it wouldn't have lived. And it's not easy. Sometimes it's hidden.
Okay.
But what you may not be able to find, there may just be one vena cava, because on the pig, it's on all fours. So the superior and inferior connect outside of the heart. And I think Zane might have found it. And a way to do it is to go go inside and from.
Did you find
it?
That looks like it.
And see if my metal sulfur comes out.
Ultimately, you should be able to find a way to wiggle the probe in there and get into the atrium. Nobody said it was easy.
Gee.
Holding the camera too low.
I don't want to force my way in here too much, but I think this is the...
Okay, force your way then.
Okay. I get through? There it is. Yeah, okay.
Yay!
Medical documentation.
That's right. That's awesome.
Okay, so that is...
there you go. It's here. So
That's the right atrium, yeah.
That's the right atrium, and this is vena cava. Something.
I thought, is that what this picture is?
Do you have one with the blood? Oh, there you go. Okay, right. So it's going through the inferior vena cava and superior vena cava into the right atrium. It's right there. And then it's going through the AV valve, which is all this crap right here.
Okay.
And it's going into ventricle, which I'm assuming kind of goes...
And pumping out.
Kind of goes down this way and then back out this way.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so let's find the pulmonary artery.
Okay.
Because we also have a vena cava that doesn't look like it does on human. Right? Because it doesn't go up and down. Superior, inferior, it goes horizontal. Look to see if you...
There, that's a lot easier. Look at that.
I'd say this is your pulmonary artery right here then.
You can't see because this one's in the way.
Right there? Because this is your...
Really?
Yeah.
So what's 19 then? Is 19 the preliminary?
Yeah. Is that the preliminary right here then?
Oh, it is, yeah. There you go. That's the preliminary right there on the top.
Are you sure it's at the top?
Yeah. See? 19.
Oh, yeah. It's littler over there.
It's just cut off.
Oh.
This one, yeah?
So, okay.
Okay, so it's coming out of the pulmonary artery, and it's going to the lungs. And then coming back from the lungs through the pulmonary vein.
Okay.
Which is 17 there, I think. Wait, hang on. No, that's the aorta.
That's the aorta. That's right.
So I'd say 19 is a preliminary vein.
Right atrium. This one is.
I'd say 19 is a preliminary vein.
Yes.
Wait.
This is it.
No, 19 is the pulmonary artery.
It's still the artery?
Artery?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where the vein...
So where's the vein? So this is the right, okay. Maybe 14. What's 14?
Left atrium.
Left atrium. Okay, so that's almost it. This is where the vein would be hooked on. So it's going to be back on this half. So it should have been right there on top.
Wait. Okay, that's this thing. That's it.
Here though.
That's the pulmonary artery. The vein is what's coming back for the lungs.
So, and this is the aorta, the pulmonary artery. No?
Okay, hang on. Which side are we looking at again? Okay.
I'm looking at this
that
one, yeah.
Okay.
So then that's why I was like, this is the aorta, this is
Right.
the pulmonary artery, and
Pulmonary arteries. Whoa, crap! Hang
That
on.
one, yeah.
They're just kind of mixed up. So this 17 right here. What's 17?
That's the
Aorta.
The aorta. I'd say that's the aorta. And that 19.
but it looks so long and snaky like that I thought it was this.
It's just a different cut. Is the problem with that?
So you're saying which one's the aorta then? Number 17 is the
This 17. This particular one that goes right through here.
Okay, the aorta, and this is the pulmonary artery then?
So you've got it lined up like this.
So, because this is the aorta and that's the pulmonary artery, would this one be?
I think the way it's cut, this is because this is the aorta that comes out like that on the top.
Yeah.
Pulmonary. It should be pulmonary vein though, should it not? This is kind of just like going all the way through.
Yeah.
Like look, it's just a hole that's going right over top of it and into this.
This here is if it goes into the atrium, it's the artery, pulmonary artery. If it goes into the, say this is the artery, pulmonary artery. Do you want to check with Gary? Because it's going right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's what I'm making a mess, sorry. That's because it's going right into this.
Is the pulmonary vein coming back from the lungs into the left atrium, through the AV valve, into the left ventricle, and up through the aorta, which is right there. 17. Now, ventricle. Can't find that.
Well,
Right,
this isn't you know what? I actually see this going into the atrium. Look, you can see. I'm just going to approach it from the other angle. I might be wrong here. But do you see how this blood vessel actually lines up perfectly with the inside of this atrium? I would say that's the vena cava. See where the probe is? Like it goes right into the atrium. That's the vena cava. And it not only goes into the atrium,
So it's kind of right over into the.
but it actually, if you can see the atrium, we can continue to connect into the ventricle. So this atrium, blood comes in through here. The atrium pushes closed and pushes the blood into the actually this is the left ventricle.
The left, yeah.
So this is what? It's pulmonary vein.
Vein, yeah.
Excellent.
There we go. Confirmed.
This is it.
Good job.
Yeah, you guys are. You've got it totally figured out.
Can you poke it again?
The whole thing's on videotape.
Yeah.
There's a rod through the pulmonary vein.
These turn out, email them to me. I'll use them for future.
Okay. There you go.
So vena cava.
Yeah.
Coming through the vena cava. You can find it.
And then
Where'd it
you're
go?
supposed to
Oh, there it is.
stab it up through the pulmonary vein.
There it is. Vena cava. Coming through the right atrium. Through the AV valve into the right ventricle. Up through. Where do we go here? Up through. This is the pulmonary artery, right? Pulmonary artery to the lungs. We're pulmonary right there.
Okay.
Um.
We just didn't slice it in half, that's all, right?
That's
why. Okay.
So through the pulmonary artery to the lungs, coming back through pulmonary vein. So then we're right back to where Gary showed us. Pulmonary vein, back through the left atrium, through the AV valve into the left ventricle, up through the aorta, and to the head.
It's good.
Perfect.
Good.
If you get a chance, go to Science World if you can get in.
Okay.